How to turn on Ask Before Downloads on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Ask Before Downloads on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here we'll find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then click Settings, and here you will find Sites and Downloads. Click on it, and then turn on this one, Ask Before starting downloads, and you can turn it on just by one click, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.